Good morning, everyone. It's time to do our morning meeting. All right, so here's our morning meeting. So we're going to start with today is. Always start with what is today. So today is Wednesday. If you've gotten your stuff in the mail from me, you can use your morning meeting folder to touch Wednesday. Wednesday's in the middle of the week. So we can say,
Today is Wednesday.
Today is Wednesday. I'm going to turn my volume up for you a little bit. All right, so make sure you touch Wednesday. Okay, in your morning meeting folder, you can also touch the month. So it says,
The month is.
the month is, and it is April. So my picture of April has a calendar with a cloud and rain because it rains a lot in April. Your picture just has a rain cloud. So touch April.
April. The month is April.
Good job. All right. And then the
date is
date is the 8th.
8th.
All right. Now it's time for the weather. I want you to go look out your front door or a window and look at the weather for me. All right. So when I'm looking outside, it looks very cloudy today. What does it look like where you are? Miss Ainsley's going to say, though,
The weather is cloudy.
in your folder, you can also touch the weather for your parents. Okay.
The temperature is.
The temperature is. So you know, we always look up the temperature. We use Miss Ainsley's phone sometimes. Sometimes we look it up on the computer. But I'm looking right now and it says the temperature is 68 degrees. 68 degrees. So 68 degrees is warm. Can you touch warm?
The temperature is warm.
So in a sentence, we could say the temperature is warm. All right, we're not going to dress a person, but if you want to do this, I can send you the link. The next thing we are going to look at, though, is our daily schedule. Okay, so today's schedule, Wednesday, April 8th, 2020. And I'm going to be sending an email to your all's parents, but some of this stuff may be hard to do if you have not got your iPad from me yet. You all should have them by tomorrow or Friday at the latest, though. Okay, so this morning meeting, which is what we're doing right now. So after you watch this, you are finished. You could go on a virtual field trip on the website. We're looking at a polar bear in Alaska. So if you don't see anything right now, check back later because it's still really early in Alaska. If you have your iPad, I want you all to log on to the Boom Learning and do some of the activities that I have assigned to you. And then we have a math activity, a reading activity, and a social studies activity. So when you finish those things today, your parents are going to fill out something to tell me that you worked, and I'm going to be so excited to hear it. All right, I'll talk to you all later. Bye.